Hi friends, for today's build challenge, you are going to need certain tools. I need you to find some crayons, a piece of paper. It can be any kind of paper. It can be construction paper, or it can be notebook paper, but it has to be loose. It can't be in a journal. So piece of paper and 2 cups. They can be paper cups or plastic cups or cups that you have in your cabinet, but they just need to be the same size. So once you've found those materials, you're ready for your challenge. This week, you are going to use the crayon for a couple of different things, but the first thing is the first step in the engineering design process, which we talked about last week, and that is to think about the problem. So we're going to use the crayons to draw a plan for what our bridge will look like. So I'm going to think about my materials. So I have 2 cups and I have a piece of paper, and that's all we're going to use to build our bridge. So just our 2 cups and our paper. So I'm going to think about what a bridge looks like and what it's used for. Now we did this last week, so I do remember bridges, so I'm going to draw what I think my bridge will look like. So here's my cups. I think to make the bridge, I'll put my paper here. So here's the plan for my bridge. Put my paper here. So here's the plan for my bridge. All right, the next step is to build my bridge. So I'm going to take my 2 cups, just like in my plan. I'm going to have my plan right here. My 2 cups, I'm going to set them up. I'm going to place the path on top, just like in my plan. Then I'm going to test my bridge. And now here comes the other use for the crayons. We're going to test to see how many crayons my bridge can hold. You ready? Let's count. 1, 2. Okay, well, my bridge got to 3 crayons, but then it fell. So that means my bridge held 2 crayons. Okay, now I want you to think of a way to make your bridge better. My last bridge only held 2 crayons before it fell down. I would like to make my bridge so much stronger and make it hold so many more crayons. So I have to think of a different way to build it. Now here's the trick. You can't use any other materials. You can only use your cups and your 1 piece of paper. So you have to think of, how can I make this stronger? Well, I still need a pathway on the top of my bridge, so I gotta figure out a way to make my paper stronger. I'm not gonna get more paper. I'm not gonna get popsicle sticks. I'm not gonna go get Legos or blocks or books. I'm gonna use my paper. Now, how can I make paper stronger? Well, if paper was thicker, then it would be stronger. So I wonder if I folded it in different ways, if I could make my bridge stronger. I don't know. Why don't you go ahead and give it a try? See if you can make your bridge stronger. Once you have, I want you to test it and see how many crayons it will hold. Then post that picture of your new and improved bridge to the second album called Improvements. Have fun testing your bridges today and going through the engineering design process. I can't wait to see what you come up with. In order to make my bridge hold more crayons, I folded the paper to make it stronger. Great job, engineers. You've gone through the process of thinking, creating, testing, and improving.